Good day. We are coming to you live from the Presidential Palace here in Dili, where preparations are underway for the official welcoming ceremony of Singapore's Prime Minister and Minister of Finance, Lawrence Wong. In just moments, the Prime Minister's motorcade is expected to arrive at the palace, where he will be received by President José Ramos-Horta, and the ceremony will include the playing of the national anthems of Singapore and Timor-Leste, followed by a guard of honor inspection and the formal introduction of both delegations. Prime Minister Lawrence Wong has now arrived at the Presidential Palace. Together with the President José Ramos-Horta, both leaders proceed to the official welcoming area, where they stand before the national flags for the welcoming ceremony. Following their greetings, both leaders exchange a handshake before proceeding to the official welcoming ceremony. The President and Prime Minister are now making their way to the ceremonial area, where they are welcomed by the members of government as well as the diplomatic corps, and where they take their positions facing the national flags of Singapore and Timor-Leste. And this marks the formal beginning of the state welcome ceremony. This concludes the national anthem of Timor-Leste and Singapore, honoring the friendship and mutual respect between the two nations. And now Prime Minister Lawrence Wong is now inspecting the Guard of Honor accompanied by the President José Ramos-Horta. The leaders now render a salute to the national flags of Singapore and Timor-Leste. The inspection of the Guard of Honor is one of the highest military honors accorded to visiting heads of government during an official state visit. This ceremonial gesture symbolizes respect for the sovereignty, friendship, and diplomatic ties between the two countries. With the welcoming ceremony concluded, the President and Prime Minister now proceed with the formal introduction of their respective delegations. Senior government officials and a member of both delegations are being introduced, reflecting the importance of this official visit. The leaders will now enter the presidential palace for a courtesy call. And so during the meeting, they are expected to exchange views on bilateral relations, regional cooperation, and opportunities to further strengthen the long-standing partnerships between Timor-Leste and Singapore. As part of the official protocol, Prime Minister Lawrence Wong will sign the presidential guest book, and the signing serves as a lasting record of his state visit and symbolizes the enduring friendship between the both nations.